Cinco and everybody at College Station, welcome to my lab. You can see around. I have one of my graduate students with me today, Carlina Kaufman. Carlina is working on her PhD here at Yale, and we're going to demonstrate some things that we do to try and use the proper technique of wafting. So in our lab we have many noxious chemicals. Let me just show you part of our chemical cabinet. These are all things that you don't want to breathe, you certainly don't want to get on your skin. We do a lot of our experiments in an area designed to protect you. So this is our fume hood. We could do our experiments inside here, or our hands are on this side, and all of the bad chemicals go up into the exhaust system. But sometimes we're using noxious chemicals at our bench, and we'll set up an experiment, and we may have many experiments. Here's an example of one that Carlina is currently doing, where she's got some 40 or so different samples set up. And we may forget which ones have the bad chemical and which ones don't. And the nice thing about smells is that we can use that to try to remember which ones we put our samples into. But the bad thing is that if we take in too much of these smells, it's quite dangerous. So Carlina is going to illustrate, using a compound you may be more familiar with that also smells bad, how we would properly do wafting of a chemical. Carlina?
Okay, so here we have just some bleach, as you may have smelled at home. And let's say that we want to make a solution of bleach. So we take some bleach and we pour it into our beaker that has some water in it. But in addition to the beaker that has water and bleach in it, I also have a beaker that only has water. And let's say that I get them mixed up and I no longer know which beaker has the bleach in it. I don't want to just lift it up and smell it, because that could hurt my nose from breathing in the bleach. So instead, I'm going to use the wafting technique so that I don't breathe in too much. So you lift it up and brush your hand over the top and sniff in that way, rather than just picking it up and sniffing right into it. So if I waft both of them, I can tell that this is the one that has the bleach in it.
There you have it, Cinco. If you do these clever tricks, you too can come get your PhD at Yale. Talk to you guys later.